Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to unpackage our most recent submission to the Zippo Repair Clinic. Give you an idea of how they send stuff back. There was a question here a while back on Zippo Addicts or one of the other Facebook Zippo groups where somebody was concerned because the tracking said that it had been delivered to a P.O. box. Well, that just goes to show you that when they ship it out of the repair clinic, the return address is a P.O. box. So nothing to be concerned about there. Inside of the package is simply our lighter. Now, if you remember correctly, the lighter had a damaged hinge. It was really wobbly. Looked like it could come off there, just come unattached very easily. And this is not the most squarely or in line of repaired hinges that I've ever seen. Perhaps that had something to do with the condition of the lighter itself. But you can see that the top weld is a little off center to the left, and the right almost looks like it has been welded twice. Kind of a double hit look with it leaning a little bit to the right of center. Whatever. No big deal. We are asking Zippo to repair a lighter that was not in very good condition at all, and I'm just glad to have it in good working order. So we're going to pull that sticker off, and the aesthetic appeal of that repair is not very good. It's not exactly what you would hope for. It's not what I've gotten when I've sent others back in the past. But the stability of the hinge feels excellent. So let's pull the insert out, which looks like it is marked K of 19. So there is a 4-year-old insert that they have included to replace the insert with the repair. No problem with that at all. And once again, you can see the lighter has many dings, dents. The play back and forth compared to the way it was before we sent it in is night and day. It was just flopping back and forth and had no stability at all. Now there's no problem at all flipping that lighter open. Flipping it open, the hinge feels nice and strong. Again, you can hope for a perfect repair every time you send one in. You can hope that it looks like a brand new lighter coming out of the factory. But this lighter didn't look like a brand new lighter coming out of the factory anyway. I'm going to go ahead and peel this control sticker off. That's just so they can keep track of your repair and send you an email when they get it and when it goes out and all that kind of good stuff. So we don't need to keep that on there. I am at this point leaning toward not having this lighter repainted. If somebody disagrees with me, give me a shout out. Let me know the reasons why. Have you had lighters repainted? Do you think this would be a good candidate for that? There's plenty of missing chrome, and I've already detailed so many of the other blemishes, the dents, scratches, scuffs that are evident pretty much on every aspect of this lighter. You can see the one up and down slash on the left and 0 on the right. Should make it 1973. But plenty of scuffs, scratches. My intention is still to give this lighter away to a buddy of mine who is a big Steelers fan. So like I said, I would be interested what you all think. If you were to receive a vintage gift Zippo of your favorite NFL team, would you rather that be restored as best as possible, even with all the dents, dings, scratches, scuffs, and other wear that are evident on the lighter? Would you like for the Pittsburgh Steelers or your team's logo to have the paint restored as close to new as possible? Or do you think it is more appropriate in a lighter that is so beat up with a very imperfect hinge repair from the Zippo Repair Clinic, at least imperfect in appearance? In function, it will function perfectly. I don't have any complaints. Like I said, I will note that it is not the cleanest looking of repairs, but as far as functionality, that's what they guarantee, and that's what they have restored to this lighter. But again, is this lighter better kept as it is, missing all of its paint, along with some of its plating and all the scuffs, dings, dents, scratches, other imperfections? One imperfection that it does not have is that hinge was terribly lined up before we sent it in. Looked like jagged teeth when somebody has let their teeth go, hadn't taken care of them. It just, the lid slid back and forth, up and down, in every which direction. And now it is good, solid, showing plenty of wear. But for someone who likes to light up, who is a Steelers fan, this would be the one. Until next time.